Today we solve the Inspector of Motor Vehicle Opsc Mechanical Engineering Set D paper, which is recently conducted on Sunday, 5th May. So let's start the video. So the first question is, in a 4-link kinematic chain, the relation between the number of link and number of pair joint is, so L is equal to 2j minus 4. Option B is the correct answer. So the relation between link and the pair is L is equal to 2j minus 4. So option B is the correct. Next, the number of degree of freedom of a 5-link plane mechanism with 5 revolute pair as shown in the figure. So you have to find the degree of freedom. So the degree of freedom F is equal to 3 into number of link n minus 1 minus 2j. As there is no higher pair, so let's omit the higher pair. So we have to find the n number of link and the number of joint. So given the number of link is 5, so n is equal to 5 and the joint will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the binary joint. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 binary joint. So calculating the degree of freedom, 3 into 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 3 into 4 minus 2 into 5 is equal to 12 minus 5 into 10, 10 equal to 2. So degree of freedom is equal to option C, 2 is the right answer. Next question, what is the value of radius of gyration of this type flywheel as compared to the rim type of flywheel for the same diameter? So we have to find the radius of gyration of this type with respect to rim type. So let's start. So first disc type and next rim type. So we know the mass moment of inertia I is equal to disc type is half mr square and the rim type is mr square. So in terms of radius of gyration, which is equal to mk square, this is disc type, this is disc type, and this is also mk d square, rim type. So comparing the radius of gyration, which is k, radius of gyration of rim type, radius of gyration of disc type. So kd is equal to r by root 2, and this kr is equal to r. So we have to find this type and radius of gyration of rim type, which is equal to r by root 2 divided by r, which is equal to 1 by root 2. So the answer will be 1 by root 2. Option B is the correct answer. Next, the amount of energy absorbed by a flywheel is determined from the torque and crank angle diagram, acceleration crank diagram, speed space diagram, speed energy diagram. So the right answer will be torque and crank diagram. Next, question number 5. A shaft motor system shown in the figure. This is the mass and which is eccentricity E and this is A, And let's just start the static balancing. So static balancing is equal to m into e is equal to m into n. Statistic balance is supported, and the dynamic balance will also supported. The distance between them is both a. So the answer will be both statically and dynamically balanced. Next question. For L number of link in a mechanism, the number of possible inversion. So the number of possible inversion will be L itself. So the number of link is L, then the number of possible inversion will be L. So option C is the correct answer. Next question number 7. The equation of free vibration of a system is x double cap plus 36 x 36 pi square x is equal to 0. Its natural frequency. So natural frequency unit is in hertz. So we have to find it carefully. So in the next page we solve. So given the equation of the motion is given x double dot equation of vibration h double dot is equal to 36 pi square x is equal to 0. So the fundamental equation is m double x plus k x is equal to 0, and we have to find mm, comparing this k is equal to 36 pi square and m is equal to 1. So we know omega n is equal to root over of k by m. So k is given 36 pi square divided by 1 root over of, which is equal to 6 pi. This is radian per second. So we have to find in hertz. We know omega n is equal to 2 pi by t is equal to 2 pi 1 by t is equal to frequency. So the frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi into omega n. So 1 by 2 pi into omega n, we get 6 pi, cancelling pi and 2 is to 3. So frequency is equal to 3 in hertz for 1 by second. So answer will be 3 hertz. Option C is the correct answer. Next, the height of h of water governor with equal arm pivoted at equal distance from axis of rotation is expressed as, where m is equal to mass of the ball of the governor and capital M mass is the sleeve of governor, then and n rpm. So this is the formula based question. So the answer h will be, the sleeve height will be 91.2 bracket m plus capital M divided by m into g by n square. So option A is the correct answer. Next question, question number 9. The profile of a cam in a particular zone is given by x is equal to root 3 cos theta and y is equal to sin theta. The normal to the cam profile at theta is equal to pi by 4 is at angle with respect to x axis. So in the next page, calculated. So given x is equal to root 3 cos theta and y is equal to sin theta, given theta is equal to pi by 4. So we know dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta into d theta by dx, which is written as dy by d theta into 1 by dx by d theta. So dy y given sin theta, with we can derivative the y with respect to theta, we get dy by d theta, that means d of d theta of sin theta is equal to cos theta and 1 by dx by d theta, x with respect to derivative with respect to x with respect to theta. So dx by d theta will be 1 by root 3 sin theta minus, so minus 1 by root 3 into cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to cot theta. So the slope of normal to cam profile angle theta is m is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx. So minus 1 by root 3 cot theta is equal to root 3 tan theta. So arc theta is equal to pi by 4, m is equal to root 3 tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So m is equal to root 3. So next we have to find angle perpendicular with x-axis is equal to alpha is equal to tan inverse m. So tan inverse root 3 which is equal to pi by 3. Answer will be pi by 3 or 60 degree. So option C is the correct answer. Next question number 10. Minimum shear strain in orthogonal turning with cutting tool of 0 rake angle. Solve this. So given we know shear strain S is equal to cot phi plus tan phi minus alpha. Alpha is rake angle. So given alpha is equal to 0, so we can write that cot phi plus tan phi. Yes. So differentiating with respect to phi for minimum, ds by d phi is equal to cot phi derivative is minus 6 of phi plus tan phi is equal to x square phi is equal to 0. So cos square phi is equal to 1 by sin square phi minus and sec square phi is equal to 1 by cos square phi. So cos square phi minus sin square phi is equal to 0 and tan square phi is equal to 1 bracket phi is equal to pi by 4. So for minimum shear strain, phi is equal to, this is your angle, so phi is equal to pi by 4. So to find the minimum, so S minimum, putting the value of pi by 4 in this equation, we get cot pi by 4 plus tan pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 1 and tan pi by 1. So the value is 2. Answer will be 2. Option D is the correct answer. Next, cold working of steel is defined as, so cold working is below recrystallization temperature. So option C is the correct answer. Next, in a typical metal coating operation, given positive rake angle, so alpha given 10 degree and it is observed that the shear angle given 20 degree. You have to find the friction angle. So we know the formula, friction angle let's take it. So we know the formula, some angle theorem, which is equal to 2 pi plus beta minus alpha is equal to pi by 2. So putting the value 2 into 20 is equal to 40 plus beta we have to found, and alpha given 10, and this is 90 degree. So this is equal to 40 plus minus 10 is equal to 30, and beta is equal to 90 minus 30 is equal to 60. So option C is the correct answer. Next, the same question repeated. The relationship between, so we know 2 pi plus beta minus alpha is equal to 90 degree. So 2 pi plus beta minus alpha is equal to 90 degree. Next question, the relation between two life in minute and cutting speed in meter per minute. So this relation is Vt to the power n is equal to constant. So option B is the correct answer. Next, using Taylor equation of two life, letting n value is 0.5 and c is equal to 400, and calculate the percentage change in two life when the speed is reduced to 50%. So calculate in the next page. So given v to the power n given 0.5 and c value 400. This is the equation, and we have to velocity changes are occur when v2 given 50%. So v1 power 0.5 is equal to v2 t2 power 0.5. So t2 divided by t1 is equal to v1 divided by v2. So 50% change, that means 1 by 2 is equal to 2, and this power is equal to 1 by 2. t2 divided by t1 is equal to power 2 is equal to percentage change is equal to t2 minus t1 divided by t1 into 100 is equal to t2 by t1 minus 1 into 100. So t2 by t1 is equal to 4 minus 1 into 100 equal to 300%. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. Plank wear occur mainly on the, so plank wear occurs mainly on the notch part, front relief face, and side relief face of the cutting tool. So option A is the correct answer. Next question number 17. A shaft of hole a shaft and hole pair is designed as 50 S7 D8. The assembly is, so this is hole line, that means this is H, and D is present in, that means hole is much above the shaft. So this is the clearance bit. So option C is the correct answer. Next, which of the following is the interference fit? Interference fit means it's the example of shrink fit. Option D is the correct answer. Next, question number 19. The dimension of hole is 50, upper limit 0.02 and lower limit minus 0.00. So shaft upper limit 0.02 and the lower limit 0.00 mm. The minimum clearance is in the next page. Given hole which is given 50 plus 0.02 and minimum 0.00, and shaft given 50 plus 0.02 and this is 0.000. So the minimum clearance to find minimum clearance is minimum of 4 minus maximum of shaft. So minimum of hole is 50.00 minus maximum of shaft is 50.02. So calculating this, we get minus 0.02 mm. This unit of mm. So answer will be C minus 0.02 mm. Next question number 20. Which one of the following forecast technique is not suited for making forecast of planning and production in short range? Moving average is also present, exponential also present, deviation analysis also present. Delphi is long-term project, a long-term technique. So option D is the correct answer. Not suitable. So option D 20. Next question number 21. The sale of a product during last 4 years is 860, 880, 870, 890 unit. Then the forecast for the year it is 876. The forecast of the fifth year using simple exponential smoothing is equal to the forecast using 3 period of moving average. And the value of exponential smoothing constant age. So calculate in the next page. This is year 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first year demand is given 860, next year 880, third year 870, fourth year 890. The forecast for the fourth year is 870. So the forecast for fifth year using 3 moving average method, 3 line. So 2, 3, 4 the recent 4 line, you get 880 plus 870, 890 divided by 3, which is equal to 880. So this also given the F5 is equal to forecast of the fifth year is equal to using simple exponential smoothing method is equal to the forecast using 3 period method. So when the exponential smoothing method formula is F5 is equal to F4 plus A B4 minus F4. So given F4 is 870, they have to calculate it, and D4 given 890 and F4 is 870. So 880 minus 870, 876 I think. Yes, 876. 876. Forecast given the fourth year. 876. So yes, 876. So 880 minus 876 equal to 4 is equal to A into 890 minus 876 is equal to 14. So A is equal to 4 by 14 is equal to 2 by 7. The value of exponential smoothing constant A is equal to 2 by 7. Option C is the correct answer. Next question number 22. 4 job are processed on a machining as per data. This is the processing time of 4 job and due date. So first question is, if the earliest due date EDD rule is used to sequence the job, the number of job delayed is. So better solve in next page. So given just a minute. This is job and this is processing time, and this is due date. First job is processing time 4, due date is 6. Second job is processing time 7 and due date is 9. Third job processing time is 2 and due date is 19. And fourth job processing time is 8 and the due date is 17. So we have to find the earliest due date rule using the sequence of job that find the number of job delay. So we have to find the earliest due date. So next arrange the for EDD rule. The earliest is 6 taken as first. So job so first will be job 1, next second is 9 due date which is bill second, and next fourth job will be completed 17 and the so fourth will be next first before third, next third. So first job processing time is 4, second is 7, fourth job processing time is 8 and third job is processing time 2. So the due date is 6, 9, 17 and this is 19. So the total work content, that means total time will be, this is 4 and this is 4 plus 7 is 11 and 11 plus 8 is equal to 19 and 19 plus 2 is equal to 21. So the due date is 6 and the work is completed before 6, that means 4, so there is no tardiness, and the due date is 9 and this is completed in 11, so this will be remaining 2 days, and this is 17, this is 19, this is also 2 days, this is 9 and this means 2 days. So the total tardiness number is 3. So the number of job delayed is 3. The answer will be 3. Option C is the correct answer. Next, for the data given in the question number 59. Question number 59, what is this? This is the question in e-transport. I think this is the misprint. And what is the total tardiness rule using shortest process? So the question number 59 will be not. This is question number 22. I think the set A will have correct question. So the interchange will reflect the default question. So if it will be grace mark for all the question for all the set except set A. So set A will not grace mark. Set B and C, D will get 1 mark. So let's solve the question. So for the reference with question number 22, tardiness using shortest processing time. So let's solve better in the next page. So shortest processing time. So the arrange shortest processing time is initially 3, next job 1, next job 2, next job 4. So job 3 processing time is 2, job 1 processing time 4, job 2 process name 7, job 3 process name 8. So time will be required 2, 4, 6, 7, 6, 13 and 18, 13, 21. And the due date of is 19, and job 1 due date is 6, and job 2 due date is 9, and job 4 is 17. So it is completed in 2 and the due date is not tardiness, and this is completed in 6 and due date is not tardiness, and this is completed in 13. Yes, this is 4 number of days required because it is completed in 13 and the due date is 9, 9, 4, 13. So this is due date is 17, this is completed 21. So the number for required to complete 4. So total tardiness is 4 plus 4, it is equal to 8. So total tardiness is 8. Option D is the correct answer. The question number is 59. 59 is given in the set D. So 59 question is related to heat transfer. So I think this will be grace mark. And for I think set A is correct for 59 question. So let's see. Next question number 24. The following activity are to be performed in a particular sequence for routing product. Analysis of product and breaking it down into component. Next, determining of lot size, determining of operation and processing time, taking make or buy decision. The right answer will be option B. Next, question number 25. Company has 4 work center ABCD with a per day capacity 450, 390, 360 and 400 unit respectively. The machine are laid down order ABCD has to operation all the machine for getting converted to finished product. The actual output turn to be 306 unit per day. What is the system efficiency? So the minimum is 360. So output to be 306. So efficiency is 306 divided by 360 into 100, which is equal to 85%. Next, in an assembly line, when the workstation time are unequal, then the overall production rate of an assembly line determined by the overall assembly determined by slowest station time. Option B is the correct. Next, 27. Last year, a manufacturer produced 1500 products which are sold for 300 each. At that volume, the fixed cost is 15.2 lakh and variable cost is 21 lakh. Then the break-even quantity of the product. So solving next page. We know the break-even quantity equal to fixed cost divided by selling cost per unit and variable cost per unit. So the given variable cost per unit is equal to 21 lakh, which given variable cost 21 into 10 to the power 5, and per unit given 1500 product, we get each per unit, and total cost per unit is equal to fixed cost per unit plus variable cost per unit, as no profit is given, so profit is 0. So total cost is equal to fixed cost given 15.2 lakh into 10 to the power 5, 15.2 lakh, that means 15.2 into 10 to the power 5 divided by per unit 1500, 15,000. So next variable cost per unit is calculated 140. So the total cost per unit is equal to 202.67 rupees per unit. So we have to find the break-even quantity. So not required. So break-even quantity is fixed cost, which is equal to 15.2 into 10 to the power 5 divided by variable total sale minus variable. So total sale is 300, which are in rupees, and variable cost is rupees. Variable cost is in rupees 140 per unit. So after calculating, you get 9500. So option D is the correct answer. Next, a company sell 14,000 unit of its product. It has a variable cost 15 rupees per unit. Fixed cost is 47,000 and the required profit is 23,000. Per unit product price will be. So not formula fixed cost plus variable cost per unit into quantity plus profit equal to total sale per unit into quantity. So given fixed cost is 47,000 and variable cost is 15 rupees and 1,000. Profit given 23,000 is equal to total sale we have to calculate and quantity is 14,000. So S will be 20 rupees per unit. Option D is the correct answer. Next, a project consists of 3 parallel paths with duration and variation 10, 4, 12, 4, 12, 9. Then according to Porter Johnson to the distribution, the project duration will be. So given 12, 12 is same, so mean will be 12. This option cancel. And this is the beta distribution. So normal distribution so cancel. Project duration is beta duration. And the standard deviation is 4 root over of 4 is equal to 2. So standard deviation, this option B is the correct answer. Next, a project has 6 activity A to F with respect to duration 7, 5, 6, 6, 6, 8, 4. The network has 3 parts A, B, C, D, E, F. And the activity can be crashed with same class cost per day. The number of activity that need to crash to reduce the project duration by the. So this is the one activity, 2 3 activity. That means 3 activity to be crashed by 1 day to reduce the project duration. So option C is the correct answer. Next, in CPM the cost slope is determined by cost slope is crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal cost, the normal time divided by crash time. So option B is the correct answer. The variance of the completion time of a project is the sum of the variance of critical times. Option C is the correct answer. Next, ABC analysis in material management is the method of classifying the inventory based on the annual value of annual uses of items. So option A is the correct answer. Next, what are the atomic factor of BCC and FCC? So BCC 0.68 and FCC 0.74. So option B is the correct answer. Next, which one of the following pair is axis length ABC and interaction length alpha beta gamma represent the tetragonal? So tetragonal represent the axial length is A is equal to B not equal to C, and alpha beta and gamma is equal to 90. So option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 36 gives phase rule for a binary alloy is given by uh, plus P is equal to C minus C plus 1. So F is equal to C minus P plus 1. So option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 37. Alpha ferrite. So alpha ferrite, gamma arsenide, delta ferrite, cementite. So cementite will be 6.67 carbon, and alpha ferrite is 2.0%. So A is equal to 4, D is equal to 1, and B is the correct answer. Gamma arsenide is 0.025 and delta ferrite is 0. Next question, question number 38. TTT diagram indicate the time and temperature transformation of ferrite, perlite, cementite, austenite. So TTT diagram represent the transformation of austenite. Option D is the correct answer. Next, for a closed system, the difference between heat added to the system and work done by the system equal to the change in. So the first law is equal to thermodynamics. dq is equal to du plus dw. So the difference between heat added, that means heat is also positive, and the work done by the system is also positive, and the difference between q and w that represent internal energy. So it is the correct answer. In the next class, we solve from question number remaining question from question number 40. Thank you.